Welcome. This is Neco year 2018 English Objective Past question number 23. And the instruction here says choose from the options letter A to E, the one that is the most appropriate interpretation of for each of the following sentences. And we're using this instruction to answer question number 21 to 30. And to this sentence, the sentence says he had to butter his wife in order to get more money. He had to butter up his wife in order to get more money. This means that he had to dash. The idiomatic expression here is butter up. Remember that we are talking of idiom. So the topic is from idiomatic expression. So you have to butter up his wife. So butter up means someone who flatter someone usually to get something from him. So option A say blackmail her, B say disgrace her publicly, C say flatter her, D say get her more butter, E say make her look attractive. So from the interpretation of butter up, we find out that option C is correct. So to this expression, option C is correct. So he had to flatter our wife in order to get more money. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.